supply of 4 carbon compound, aspartate. Okay, supply of 4 carbon compound. It converts actually, it also converts fumarate into aspartate and supply, and it can also supply new aspartate. So if urea cycle rate increases, it will supply new aspartate. Oxaloacetate convert into aspartate will supply new aspartate. So 4 carbon supply function of this Krebs cycle. So now, do you know what is propionic acid pathway? Can anybody tell me what is propionic acid pathway? You don't know?
Breakdown of short chain fatty acid.
Okay, very good. All chain fatty acid will break down into propionic acid. Okay, propionic acid. Not only O chain fatty acid, but also few amino acid. For example, valine, isoleucine. We will talk. I have also given you the amino acid chart. You can see there. Valine, isoleucine, methionine, and one more, threonine. So this 4 amino acid also will come, and plus this O chain fatty acid will produce end product called propionic acid, and this propionic acid will convert ultimately into succinic acid. And you know this succinic acid is part of Krebs cycle. This is part of Krebs cycle. How does this propionic acid convert into this? This is 3 carbon, this is 4 carbon. So there will be addition of 1 carbon. So which enzyme does addition of carbon from carbon dioxide?
Carboxylase.
Yes, carboxylase. So what will be the carboxylase? Propionyl coenzyme A carboxylase. Carboxylase. As when I tell you carboxylase, so carboxylase, what does it means? It will require which all things? Carboxylase will require ATP. Yes, vitamin by which vitamin?
Biotin.
Yes, biotin. It will require biotin, and it will require ATP because these are ligases. All ligases require ATP. So biotin, ATP, and it will require carbon dioxide to carboxylate. So ABC. So it will convert, this propionic acid will convert into a 4 carbon compound, a different type of 4 carbon, not succinic acid. This this is called methylmalonic acid. Actually methylmalonyl coenzyme A, but I am writing is methylmalonic acid. Okay, so this is a different type of compound. This is propionic acid, 1, 2, 3 carbon plus 1 carbon added here. It is, but succinic acid is a straight chain carbon, like 4 carbon that is in straight chain. So this carbon, this like branch type of compound has to be converted into succinic acid, and this is done by a mutase enzyme. Mutase. Which mutase? Methylmalonyl coenzyme mutase. MM mutase. So this enzyme contains what? B12. So this is propionic acid pathway. Propionic acid pathway. This is propionic acid pathway. Very important. Now, what will happen? This propionic, can you see this propionic acid pathway supplying this 4 carbon compound?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this 4 carbon compound is very important for the urea cycle as a aspartate, because 4 carbon will convert into aspartate. Succinate will ultimately convert into aspartate. Succinate into fumarate into malate into oxaloacetate, and then oxaloacetate into aspartate through transamination reaction. Because you know oxaloacetate is ketoacid of aspartate. So an aspartate will join, it will actually provide nitrogen for urea cycle. So this is how this you can say this propionic acid pathway is also connected. If there is problem in propionic acid pathway, what will happen? So it will also affect carbon supply. Won't it affect carbon supply? It will also
sir.
affect carbon supply. And that is why if it affect this carbon 4 carbon compound aspartate supply, what will happen? So there will be defect in urea cycle. So that is why when there is problem in propionic acid pathway, there will be hyperammonemia, moderate hyperammonemia. So in this process, I am teaching you propionic, the problem of organic acidemia. I am also teaching you the presentation of organic acidemia. So propionic in propionic aciduria, that is happens because of defect in certain amino acid metabolism. Which amino acid metabolism? The amino acid metabolism, this valine, isoleucine, threonine. So in such condition, in propionic aciduria, there will be hyperammonemia. So remember how hyperammonemia happens in propionic acid. So purpose of Krebs cycle, you can see this is two are the purpose of Krebs cycle. So gluconeogenesis is also purpose of Krebs cycle. During fasting condition, there is a demand of 4 carbon compound is for twofold. One for urea cycle, other for gluconeogenesis. That is why the significance of propionic acid pathway is very important during fasting condition. So significance of this propionic acid pathway becomes very important during fasting condition, because it will supply carbon both for gluconeogenesis and for urea cycle. Okay, so that is why propionic acid pathway is related to hyperammonemia. Moderate amount of, not very high hyperammonemia, moderate hyperammonemia.